Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your profile in Grindr. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grindr application. Click on the profile in the top left corner. Click on Edit Profile option. Scroll down your screen. And here you can see the multiple options to fill in. Now fill out those options respectively. Here you can see that I've filled the options. After that, click on the Save option. Now whenever somebody will view your profile, they'll be able to see the additional details that you've just added. Also, this might help you to get more people to approach you. So that is how you can edit your profile in Grindr. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.